Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with my Stamps of Life Happy Mail. And I have already kind of said that I've had to take a break from this. So this is my last box. So I've had it sitting over there for a while. Not too long, maybe a few days. And sorry, I'm having to turn around, maybe a few days. But we don't get any kind of mail in a timely fashion. So we are I'm just, whenever you guys see these things, you always go, oh no, it's the wrong month. It's the wrong month. Just understand. I totally understand. I appreciate you guys helping me and helping me identify which month it is. But because of such bad postal, and I don't want to say service, but in our community, our postmaster and his supervisor are just fantastic. The problem is they don't have enough people. They have a tiny facility that they process a ton of mail. And when COVID hit, they lost staff and all kinds of stuff. So there's total understanding in our local post office. But I mean, it's a reality. One day I'll have 3 letters and the next day I'll have 50. You tell me what happened. They found old mail. And so, I mean, and who blames them? It's such a tiny building. So I don't want to sound like I'm complaining. I just want to make you guys understand that, when I don't get something in a timely fashion, air quotes, that's why. It's not their fault. So, all right. So here we go. Let's open it up. You saw me break the seal. Oh, I already love this. Ah, too much fun. Absolutely beautiful. This is the June 2021 kit. And this says, hooray! That is so cute. And by the way, last night, I've been on the phone all night and all morning. I have a new niece. Yes, she was born at, I think it was like 5:48 this morning. No, 4:48, something like that. Anyway, she's beautiful. She's cute. Mom and daughter are doing well, though they did have some complications. They have a little infection, so they'll be in there a little bit longer. But please pray for quick healing. Please pray for full recovery. And we're super excited. It's probably our last niece or nephew to be born. As my sister and I, our brother is much younger than us. And so, but we are so thankful and so thankful that everybody came through okay. And we were on texting all evening with our brother. And so, yeah, it was a lot of amazing opportunity for us, for them, and super excited. So, all right. So this one is called, this is the June 2021 kit. So I'm not too far off. You got, okay. And this is the secret ingredient is always love. Oh, I love that. So sweet. And this is all about baking, which is perfect. Yay. Oh, there is that heart and the leaves, and I'm going to use that a lot. I hope this year to make our children and there's the die for that, to make a cookbook of my mother's recipes. So we'll see. I'm trying. I've just got to get the picture albums done for my sister and my brother, and then one for us, and then we'll see what happens. So I love this. You got this. I love that. I say that all the time. And people get tired of it. Oh, so pretty. How in the world? Okay. I would never think of that for a baking, but it's so cute. And I love this. And I absolutely love this. And I do have, I love the shape of those hearts. I will have another order coming that I ordered and used up all my points. So, yes. So, gorgeous purple. Look at all that. Isn't that pretty? And there's that beautiful shaped heart. There's something about, we see so many wonky hearts now that I love seeing these shaped hearts. They're some of my favorite. And this says, you got this. Okay. And then, I love the mixer stand and the cookies. So, there's the vines and the leaves. Super cute cut apart. And more in the larger size. So, that is so sweet and cute. So, and then we just get it to repeat again. So, really good colors, beautiful paper, etc. Okay, so now we have these two beautiful, I love that, very vintagey. That is really pretty, and that matches pretty with the chocolate chip cookies, and then the yellow and the white stripe. So, of course, we have our 12 envelopes, and then let's see the colors of the paper, and then our beautiful envelope to put them in. And these are my favorite envelopes. They just really are substantial, and they hold up. Okay, so we've got that gorgeous yellow. Ooh, pretty light pink. And I don't know the names. I can go back and read them to you in just a second. And then look at that vibrant pink. Love that. And then kind of a craft color. A real pretty lime. And it's hard because some of these are thicker than the others, but they're all such great quality. Another version of pink, kind of a cotton candy. Let me see there. Sorry. And then a, looks like navy. I think that's navy. Is that navy or black? I think that may be navy. We'll see in a minute. Ooh, we've got 2 of those. That's nice. And then we have a nice like chocolate brown, and then the rest are white. So hold on, I'll read you the colors of the paper so you can see. Let's see. It features chocolate, midnight, so that must be more of a kind of a dark navy, candy, bubblegum, guava, sunshine, kiwi, and ginger snap. So very nice, very pretty. Stephanie does such a great job on all these. And yeah, so okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed, subscribed. And we'd love to have you. And welcome to all of our new friends. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. And I will be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.